Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you all. I just want to thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I will be giving my refrigerator a complete makeover, so please stay tuned to see how we transform this. And I'm just so happy to continue making as much progress as I have. Enjoy! Alrighty, so back to work we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out of this fridge, get rid of the things that we no longer need, and I'm gonna give it a nice thorough wipe down to get all of those crusts and crumbs out of this fridge. Child, this refrigerator was smelling funky and we just need to get it back together. Okay, so I bought these clear containers for the yogurts, but it turns out that the yogurts are too big and bulky for what I wanted to use them for. So I decided that I would just use those clear containers for something different. And it turns out that I had a lot more space in the fridge to fit more yogurts. So I guess it kind of worked out in my favor anyhow.
A fork is in a knife is in the video. Should I cover it up? Why? Why? Why are you recording me?
You just came in here to steal some snacks.
It's mine.
You're in my way of
Wait a minute, you got me looking like Urkel.
You're in my way of production.
Move. Get out the way.
kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my...
Well, if you have made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my tiny heart for watching this video. Although it took me all day, I am so grateful that we got this project complete. Everything is nicely labeled in its proper place. It smells refreshing, and it's just so liberating to look at something where it has everything nicely organized. I'm gonna let the rest of the video play out, but thank you guys again so much. If you love this type of content, I would love for you to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and words of encouragement. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
And you did right from the start. And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone.